In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or achieve complete financial independence, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities just waiting to be explored. In this video, we'll guide you through various methods to earn money online, from freelancing and affiliate marketing to creating your own online store. We'll start by discussing the different avenues available, helping you identify which path aligns best with your skills and interests. Next, we'll dive into practical tips and strategies to kickstart your online income journey. As we navigate through these options, it's essential to understand the significance of financial independence. The ability to earn money on your terms not only provides security but also opens doors to a lifestyle of freedom and flexibility. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stay tuned as we uncover the exciting world of online income opportunities. Understanding online income streams. When it comes to making money online, there are several income streams that beginners can tap into. One of the most popular methods is affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Platforms like Amazon Associates make it easy to get started by providing a vast array of products to choose from. Another great option is freelancing, which allows you to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with businesses looking for everything from graphic design to writing services. This flexibility means you can work on projects that match your expertise and interests. E-commerce is also a booming field, with platforms like Etsy enabling you to sell handmade or unique products directly to consumers. As you explore these options, consider which income stream aligns best with your skills and passions. The key is to find something that excites you, making the journey toward financial independence both enjoyable and rewarding. Setting up your online presence. Establishing a professional online presence is crucial for anyone looking to make money online. One of the first steps is to create a personal website or portfolio that showcases your skills, services, and achievements. This serves as your digital business card, allowing potential clients or customers to learn more about you and what you offer. In addition to a website, consider setting up social media profiles that are relevant to your niche. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook can help you connect with your target audience and industry peers. Make sure to choose platforms that align with your goals and where your audience is most active. Once your profiles are set up, optimizing them for visibility and engagement is key. Use relevant keywords in your bio and descriptions to improve searchability. Regularly post engaging content that reflects your expertise and encourages interaction. By establishing a strong online presence, you'll not only attract potential clients but also build credibility in your chosen field, paving the way for future success. Building your skills. To achieve online success, developing the right skills is essential. Fortunately, there are numerous resources available to help you enhance your abilities. Online platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer a wide range of courses tailored to various fields, from digital marketing to coding. Investing time in these courses can provide you with the knowledge and confidence needed to excel in your chosen niche. Continuous learning and adaptation are vital in the ever-evolving online landscape. As trends change and new technologies emerge, staying updated will keep you competitive and relevant. Make it a habit to seek out new information and skills regularly, whether through webinars, podcasts, or articles. Additionally, practicing your skills through small projects or freelance gigs can significantly boost your confidence and experience. Start by taking on simple tasks that align with your interests, allowing you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. This hands-on experience not only solidifies your skills but also builds your portfolio, making you more attractive to potential clients or employers. Creating valuable content. Content creation plays a pivotal role in attracting and engaging an audience online. By producing high-quality blogs, videos, or social media posts, you can showcase your expertise and provide value to your followers. This not only helps establish your authority in your niche but also fosters trust and loyalty among your audience. Quality and consistency are key factors in successful content creation. Aim to deliver well-researched, informative, and entertaining content that resonates with your audience. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. To create content that truly connects, it's essential to understand your audience's needs and preferences. Conduct surveys, engage with your followers in comments, and analyze feedback to gain insights into what they find valuable. Tailoring your content to address their interests and pain points will not only enhance engagement but also position you as a go-to resource in your field. By focusing on creating valuable content, you'll effectively attract and retain a dedicated audience, paving the way for your online success. Marketing your services. Effectively marketing your online services or products is crucial for reaching your target audience and driving sales. One of the most powerful strategies is social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn allow you to showcase your offerings, engage with potential customers, and build a community around your brand. Regularly posting valuable content and interacting with your audience can significantly enhance your visibility. Email campaigns are another effective way to market your services. Building an email list enables you to communicate directly with interested prospects. Tools like MailChimp make it easy to create and manage email campaigns, allowing you to send newsletters, promotions, and updates to keep your audience informed and engaged. Networking and building relationships within your industry are equally important. Attend online events, join relevant groups, and connect with influencers to expand your reach. By fostering genuine connections, you can gain referrals and collaborations that can elevate your business. Combining these strategies will create a comprehensive marketing approach, helping you effectively promote your services and achieve online success. Tracking your progress. Measuring your success is essential for understanding what works and what doesn't in your online journey. One of the best tools for tracking your website's performance is Google Analytics. This powerful platform provides insights into visitor behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates, helping you identify areas for improvement. To effectively track your progress, it's important to set specific, measurable goals. Whether it's increasing website traffic, boosting sales, or growing your social media following, having clear objectives allows you to focus your efforts and measure your success accurately. Regularly reviewing and refining your strategies is crucial for ongoing growth. Take the time to analyze your data and assess whether your current tactics are yielding the desired results. If something isn't working, don't hesitate to pivot and try new approaches. This iterative process of evaluation and adjustment will help you stay aligned with your goals and adapt to changing market conditions. By consistently tracking your progress, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions that drive your online success. Scaling your income. Once you've established a solid foundation for your online income, it's time to explore strategies for scaling it further. One effective approach is to incorporate passive income streams into your business model. This could involve creating digital products, such as e-books or online courses, that generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Automation is another key concept to consider. By utilizing tools and software to automate repetitive tasks, you can free up valuable time to focus on growth. For instance, using email marketing automation can help you nurture leads and maintain customer relationships without constant manual effort. Diversifying your income streams is also crucial for stability. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, so consider branching out into different areas. For example, if you're a freelancer, you might explore affiliate marketing or create a subscription service related to your expertise. Many successful entrepreneurs have scaled their income by implementing these strategies. By learning from their experiences and adapting their methods to fit your unique situation, you can effectively increase your earnings and achieve long-term financial success. In this video, we've explored a comprehensive roadmap to making money online in just 30 days. We started by discussing the various income streams available, from affiliate marketing and freelancing to e-commerce. We then emphasized the importance of establishing a professional online presence and building the necessary skills to succeed. As we delved into content creation and marketing strategies, we highlighted how valuable content can attract an audience and how effective marketing can drive sales. We also covered the significance of tracking your progress and scaling your income through passive income and automation. Now, it's time to take action. Remember, staying committed and consistently applying what you've learned is crucial for achieving your goals. Don't hesitate to start implementing these strategies today. If you found this video helpful, Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and support your journey toward online success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.